So let's talk about how to improve your kids' video.
Well, hello. Destroyed.
I got 4 tips for you. One is music. So take a look at these 2 clips. In the first clip, there's no music. Now in the second clip, I've added music. Now, as far as music goes, if you get it from Epidemic Sound, you have to get a subscription, at least a trial subscription, in order for it not to be flagged for copyright. What I suggest you do when it comes to music is buy a few upbeat songs that you like or songs that go along with whatever you got going on and repeat those throughout your video, because that's going to create familiarity with the listener, which means familiarity breeds feelings of like. So in the beginning, they may not get used to those songs, but if they're repeatedly hearing them, well, it creates familiarity and they're gonna have warm feelings and good feelings towards it. So the second thing I would consider is the second thing will happen automatically. The second thing I suggest to improve your kids' videos is to practice. I mean, that's just gonna come naturally, right? When you first start, if you look back, like when I look back at the videos when I first started editing them and filming them, to now, I've learned quite a bit about what works and what doesn't work. So that will just happen naturally. But the third thing you can do is this technique where you clip it at speech or clip it at sound. Now, because it's a kid video, I don't necessarily clip it at sounds, but watch this clip to see the before and the after as far as how it makes it more entertaining, clipping it right at speech.
Where's a boy? I need to chase a little boy.
Oh no.
What is that, Finn? What? Is that the roller? You're stuck on there?
This is what flattens out cut.
This is like a roller?
Yeah. It is.
Here, let me get a picture of you. Can I get a picture?
So there, so now you have clip A, this is without speech, or you have clip A, which is just random, it's just a clip where I haven't edited it. And then you have it where it's edited it at speech, at me talking.
Where's a boy? I need to chase a little boy. What is that, Finn? What? Is that the roller? You're stuck on there? This is like a roller. Here, let me get a picture of you. Can I get a picture?
Fourth thing I recommend to make your kids' videos better and more entertaining is to make them more entertaining. Focus on shorter videos, but a higher entertainment value, right? So in order to do that, that would mean, like, look at clip A versus clip B. Arguably, clip A still has some good stuff in it, but clip B, I think, is a lot more entertaining than clip A.
Climb, Locke, climb. What's in there?
Not a lot.
What's in here?
Not a lot, Mommy.
Not a lot? Look, you can drive the truck down there. You can drive the truck here.
And then if you go into number 1 and you add some music into it, it's gonna make it even better. So 2 things you can do as far as making them more entertaining is to speed stuff up. I always speed up when we first get to a park or when we're running through something. And the second thing you can do to make your clips more entertaining is to skip boring parts. So let's take a look at some footage here. So we're gonna take a look at the ways that I have edited. So I guess before and after editing. So you can take a look and see if you get any ideas and see what I'm talking about as far as skipping boring parts.
Climb, Locke, climb. What's in there?
what, Mommy?
Not a lot? Look, you can drive the truck down there. You can drive the truck here.
So make your videos as entertaining as possible. I understand they're not going to be as long and that you really want to aim for 10 minutes, but you'll be able to group of, make a compilation one day of a few videos together, or, if you work with Lego, for example, you can do, all the ship builds together and things like that. So that'll make up for what you lose in the time here.
Can you say, please like and subscribe?
Be right, do right.
And hit the bell for notifications.
If you know that station.